So let's go ahead and do that. I'll boot up some Photoshop. You can boot up whatever art program you'd like. We're going to make this particle shine. This is going to be the coup de grace, as it were. Let's make a new thing. The height to be 70. The width to be 280. Let's keep it simple. A little 4-frame animation. So let's go ahead and open that guy as our source. So we're going to go to our libraries, and you'll go to wherever this stuff's stored on yours. FlashPunk, CoinDuder, assets, images. Let's grab that fireball. Now we have our fireball. Let's paste it in here. Let's go ahead and set up our grid. There's 70 pixels, why not? In view, let's show our grid. Alright, so now we can really this guy right where we want him. So we would just want him to kind of disappear into nothingness. There's a cat in this room. It's going to give him a little spin, a little squash. Little spin, little squash. Get out of here. One more time, little spin, little squash. Yeah. Now that's a good looking particle effect right there. Actually, we can even take the first one here. Start that guy off with a little spin and squash, just so it doesn't look the same as the first thing. Go ahead and save that out. Nope. Stop. Yeah. I want to save this. Let me save it. Now the button's down there. Computers! Alright, so let's dump this back into FlashPunk, CoinDuder, assets, images. We'll call it Fireball Sprite. Boom. Grimly. Meow. This little guy's gonna love it. Gonna love it. Alright, so let's go back into our game constants. Let's drop in our brand new, just for you, Fireball Sprite. Generate that guy. Fireball Particle. Class. So now back in here. Instead of Fireball Art, let's go Fireball Particle. You notice how we set it up 70 by 70, so there's 4 frames on trail. Well, look at this, it expects an array of frames. Frames 1, 2, 3. Again, this is going to be 0, 1, 2, and 3. Easy peasy, cotton cheesy. Let's drop the alpha for right now. Let's see how we looking. Oh no, that's looking a little better, isn't it? Maybe if lived a little bit less time. Let's give it a maximum of half a second. Go ahead and turn this guy back on so it fades out. We can leave this set to 1 here. You notice that they were kind of chunky looking. We can update that as well. Fireball emitter dot smooth. Nope, can't set it to smooth because it is a particle. Yeah, that looks ridiculous. But very, very deadly, I'd say. You can see how they taper off now. I think that life really helped it. Again, a lot of this is just trying different things, seeing if you like it, seeing if you don't like it. Let's not make a move as far. Or spawn differently. Well, that looks bad. Alright, so don't do whatever that is. There we go. That's looking nice. It's looking mighty nice. Kinda. I still think the first one's too big. There we go. Again, let's drop this down 0.5. Now, I actually set an easing function here. And FlashPunk comes in built in with easing functions. So I forgot what it was called. Oh, ease. How about that? We just want to quickly accelerate away from the fireball and then kind of slow down. So we're looking for a like a cube out. Let's see if that looks good. Yeah, there we go. Now we're getting that kind of slows down near the end there. Got a nice spread. And again, you'll really want to play with this, especially since this is an art piece, to make it look exactly the way you want it. But I'm going to call that good enough for right now. That's really making the fireballs look threatening. So now we have an adequate foe for the coin duder. But right now it's still not... There's no way to know that we are taking damage. So we need to start keeping track of some stuff.